Welcome to this guided meditation, a meditation that will help you completely relax and find inner peace and balance. The meditation will help you emerge from the darkness and find hope and light in your life. The guided meditation will begin in 30 seconds. Before we start the meditation, I would like you to find a place where you can sit or lie comfortably and where you won't feel disturbed or feel pain or discomfort. A place and a position where you can be completely relaxed and mentally present in the meditation. Find a place and a time where you can remain undisturbed throughout the entire meditation. The meditation will start in a moment. If you need more time to get comfortable, pause the recording for a moment and start again when you're ready. The meditation begins now. Close your eyes. Now you are ready. Imagine that everything around you is darkness. You can't see anything. Everything is dark. Now imagine that you are alone in the middle of the open sea on a pitch black night. The sea is infinite, but you can only see the dark waves around you. You can't remember where you came from and no longer know where you are heading or why. This is the feeling of hopelessness, lack of meaning, and lack of light. You wish to move out of the darkness and into the light. You wish to find hope and excitement for the future and in your life. First, feel that you are safe in the darkness and that the darkness is not threatening or dangerous. It is just stillness. It's just a place in the world where you haven't yet found yourself, haven't yet found meaning and light. But you believe that there is hope, and that you can find the hope which will bring light and meaning into your life. Let us move towards the light together. Imagine the sun is rising. The sea is revealed by the sun's bright and warm light. You can now see everything. You can see the horizon all around you. You can see the soft blue waves, and you can see the beautiful clear sky with a few fluffy white clouds drifting slowly across the sky. everything is perfectly still. A gentle breeze caresses your skin, across your face, over your whole body. The waves rock you calmly, like in a mother's loving arms. You're floating on a wooden raft. Grass and beautiful flowers are growing all over the raft, and you're lying on your back, looking up at the sky, letting it rock you softly and carry you with a calm current. The sun warms you in a pleasant way, deep into your soul. The light fills your entire body, deep into your mind. Everything is brightness and warmth. Everything is light. You feel that all worries, all sadness, all fear, and all despair leave you. You feel that a heavy burden that has weighed down your mind, and your mood is lifted. You suddenly feel light, almost weightless. You feel that your body and mind open up and are ready to leave the darkness and enter the light. You are ready. You feel courage, and you feel that you now yearn for life that is waiting for you. Far away on the horizon, you see land, and the current carries you in that direction. You feel confident that the current will bring you to the shore. It is still far away, but you can see that it is green, light green, like spring, like hope. You feel it buzzing throughout your body. It is joy, and it's like butterflies in your stomach, like the blossoming of love. You are filled with hope. You can feel that within the beautiful green landscape, there is everything good. In there lies your dreams and your future. In there, you will be happy, safe, and joyful. You feel the hope, but even more, you feel that you know it, that you believe in it. You are completely certain. In there you will be happy. You are not there yet. There is still a bit of distance, but you can see that you are moving in that direction. everything is now moving in that direction. The current in the water, the clouds in the sky, the birds, the wind, the small gentle waves. Everything is moving towards the light green hope on the horizon. And it gives you peace in your body and in your mind. It gives you the reassurance that it will happen, that it will succeed, that there is no doubt. You no longer just believe it. You know it now. You know that the darkness is behind you. You don't bother to look back, because you know that it is behind you, far behind you. The light is up ahead. Your future lies ahead. That way, towards the light, towards the green, towards hope, towards a feeling of love, for life, for your future. Hold on to that feeling as you arrive at the shore. You step onto the beach. Feel the soft sand under your bare feet. It feels warm and loving. You gaze at the white sand, the green landscape ahead of you, and the beautiful light blue sky above you. Full of hope, self-love, and belief in yourself and the future. You now begin to walk into the open landscape, into the world that is waiting for you. The world is open to you, and you trust in and believe that there is light and goodness wherever you go. You let yourself be led out into the world by your feeling of trust, hope, and love, and by your belief that there is hope in you and hope all around, and that you will find meaning in your way in life as long as you follow the feeling you have in your body right now. You bring that feeling of light, hope, warmth from the sun, and the mother's loving embrace with you on your way out into the world. and feel confident that you will always be able to find hope and find your way in life as long as you recall this feeling of confidence and certainty. Confidence that you are the brave one and you are good enough. You are worth loving, and that there is a meaning in life for you, and that if you believe in anything in life and you do the best you can, then you have done enough, and the world will receive you and you will succeed. Always remember yourself that hope is to know where you want to go, and always do your best to get there. Then there is hope. The meditation is now over, and you can open your eyes.